Hi and welcome to Yoga with Tim. In today's class we're going to do a bedtime yoga flow, which is going to be nice and relaxing to help you to calm the nervous system, release any tension in the body that you're holding so that you can get a deep, restful sleep and wake up refreshed and energized. Let's get started lying down onto the back. With your knees bent, your feet down on the floor, rest your hands on your belly. Feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in. The ribs expand out to the side. And notice it all move back in and down as you breathe out. Now we're going to do a twisting exercise as we warm up here. So lie onto your left side like you're sleeping. Stretch through your right arm past your left arm as you look down towards the ground. Maybe feel a stretch in the back of your left shoulder. Then as you inhale, start to twist open. Slide your right hand along your chest and then all the way open. And as you exhale, slide your right arm back along your chest towards your left hand, past your hand, reach. 2 more times. Pause at the top of the inhalation as you hold here. And as you exhale, slide your arm. Moving with your breath. Last one. Slowing down the breath to help to increase the range of motion. Inserting a little pause at the top. And exhale, back to starting position. Change sides now, roll onto your right side. And reach your left arm past. Perhaps feel a stretch on the back of the right shoulder. And then slide and open up. Two times, sliding with your breath. Last one. Good. And then start rolling back to starting position. Roll yourself up and come onto your hands and your knees. Stretch back into your first child's pose. Then inhale, hips to wrists. Roll the buttocks down as you roll up through the front of the spine, front of the pelvis. Exhale to stretch back. 2 more times. Now just stretch in a child's pose, hold there. And just feel that as the body feels nice and warmed up and mobilized, you can really sink into this child's pose and connect to your breath better. Feel the body releasing the tension. And then lie down onto your back, release. Open your arms out to the side. Cross your right ankle over your left knee and let your legs fall over to the left. Bring your legs back to center. Change the cross, left ankle over the right knee, and let your legs go over to the right. Come back to center, and then either with your ankle crossed over your knee, hug your knee in, or you can roll yourself up and take a pigeon, single pigeon if you like, pigeon pose. This is just a lying down version. Little trick for the lying down one, you can cradle your leg and then stretch the other leg out. And then you kind of get the same as the single pigeon. And then you might just be like, well, why not just do the single pigeon? I could just be doing that. And I'd be like, yeah, okay, just do whatever you want. Change legs. Now, option here to take Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana with the leg out to the side, where you can strap the foot and open the leg out to the side. You can put a couple of blocks, or depending on how open your hip is, ideally I'd like you to keep this leg down as the leg goes over. So you might need to put a chair or to rest your leg up against the couch so that this hip doesn't lift as you go over. You might also be able to use a block or one or two. If your hips are real tight, you could just work with the knee bent, like so. Or you could even just drop a tree pose leg and chill out that way. So whatever option you choose, let's hold here now. Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. No, Supta Padangusthasana. Dang, I almost messed that one up. Supta Padangusthasana, or its modification. Let's just hold here. Now bring that leg back to center and change legs. So either left leg up in the strap and taking it over to chair, couch, block, or whatever. If you're super open, the leg could go all the way down. Or taking the variation, holding the knee, or taking the tree pose leg. So if your groins and your hips are really tight, having the straight leg out to the side, the longer lever, having the shin and the extra weight of the foot pulling the leg over, might be too extreme for your body. This would be the most basic variation and will help for real tight hips and inner legs and groins. Over time, after you get real comfortable with this, you can work towards the extended leg. Good. Now bring that leg back to center. Like to use a hand to bring it back to center or use the assistance of the strap. And now bring legs into happy baby. If your hips are tighter and it's difficult to reach to the outsides of the feet, you could take your big toes. And if that's still too difficult, you could just hug your knees to your armpits, like so. And release that. Then lie down onto your back for Shavasana. Start with the scan of the body. So feel the muscles of your face start to relax. Let go of any tension you're holding in your eyes, around the eyes, the temples. Let go of the jaw and the tongue. Soften the cheeks. Let go of any tension in the shoulders and the neck. Let the arms drop as the palms turn up. Let go of the hands, the fingers. Feel the heart soften, the abdominals relax, muscles in the back. Let go of the hips. And let your thigh bones be heavy. Just let them drop down into the earth, along with the shins, the legs. Let go of any tension in the feet and the toes. Let the whole body relax and be filled with light. Bend the knees and roll to your side. Press yourself up. Thank you. Namaste.